Holley sniper, wire testing, yellow lead, back probed into pink wire, green lead, back probed into red wire. Key off, 12 volts on the green, key on, 12 volts, yellow, which would be the pink wire. (10 volts cranking), key off, no voltage at 12 or at pink wire, key on, 12 volts. I'm going to move the red wire test lead to the trigger side of the relay, which is the blue wire. I can get that in there. So key on. Oh, I didn't get a good connection there. Move that. All right. The yellow or the green test lead goes in, back probes the blue trigger wire that should be a ground from the PCM. Have 12 volts because the pink wire has 12 volts. Crank or key off, both off. Key on, both have 12 volts, no ground. Cranking, 10 volts cranking. Green should be grounded. I had to unhook some of my wiring loom to get to the wires. Relay, sniper, fuse. Oh, knocked the fuse out of it. The power ground goes straight to the battery. Power goes to the positive side of the battery here. Have to find the fuse that fell out. But the fuse is also good, indicated by the 12 volts I had at the red wire earlier.